Hey guys, Terry here. Hey, I recently did an order with Hero Arts, which it's interesting that this says Spellbinders. They must be related somehow. Do you know how they're related? Put that in the comments. That's interesting. Okay, so this came from Arizona. It probably took a couple weeks to get here. Okay, so there, that says Hero Arts. Here we go. Okay, so what I saw was a video where somebody was making this jeans card. Isn't that cute? It looks like a jeans shirt, and this is the front or the back. You can color it with the stencils, so it's the front or the back. So there's the front. And this, they called this the bundle because I wanted to make sure that I got the die, which is, how cute is that? It's got little hearts on it. They had a swag set too. I didn't get that. It had a smiley face and a peace sign and rainbow. It was really cute. So I thought that was, I thought I'll start out with the shirt. And it's got the buttons, and then it's got the stencil. So how fun is that? Looks like it's got 5 stencils. So it's just got the outer. So you do the background color, and then I think you do a darker and darker shade of each layer. So isn't that adorable? So this doesn't have an example. I'll insert an example of the how it can be the back of the shirt too. But how fun is that? Look at the pocket. Love the buttons. So I thought that was, so this is what started the order, was this. And then I think, I don't remember if there was free shipping or I just also saw this piece. So I guess they've got monthly kits that you can do. And this was a past monthly kit. Oh yeah, this was April's. I think it was April of last year. Yeah, April of last year. So it's got some little, look at those little dewdrops. Aren't those fun? They're clear. Little enamel dots. That's fun. So that came in this month, that month's set here. And then this is a piece of acrylic. So this set is called the Terrarium. Yeah, Terrarium. So there's 20 dies here. How fun is that? You know how I love the mushrooms and the moss and the ferns. How fun are those? Look at those plant leaves. Little cobblestone look. So you can put that on the, do that in like a wood grain, and it's the bottom of the terrarium. A tree stump, butterfly. How cute is that? So there's that one. I think that sample card is adorable. So I thought that was cute. So that was the dies. And then here's the stamps. Here's the stamps for the terrarium. There's 16 stamps. I'm here for you, rain or shine. Plant dreams, pull weeds, and grow a happy life. You are magical. Sending happy thoughts, thinking of you. Thank you. And then it's got some fun stamps here. Look at the little froggy. Can you see him? Oh my gosh, you know how we love our little froggies. And more mushrooms. And then this would be a beautiful, oh, can you imagine coloring this inside the terrarium? How fun is that? So I couldn't resist that one. It's got some samples here. So here's that one. Yeah, that's just that stamp on top of that terrarium. They've cut the arch out of the cardstock and then have that stamp behind it. Cute little one here. Looks like it's out of the woods. Tree stump and some butterflies. That one's cute. And that one. So great to have some samples. And then it's got some directions here. Tells you what you need. liquid adhesive, foam adhesive, paper trimmer, die cutting machine, stamping tool, paintbrush, watercolor markers, or you could use your Copics. That's fun. So that was April of last year. And then, oh, it came with a pack of cardstock too. Let's see here. I don't know how many pieces are in there, but it's a good bit of them. That'd be great for your card bases. Fold those in half, score them. So there's a good bit of them in there. Love that. And then that, and the terrarium you could make look like it's the glass piece on it with this. I've also used the plastic off of a container that, you know, has some plastic, clear plastic on it. So how fun is that? So love that set. So that was my Hero Arts order that I just did. Like I said, I think it took a couple weeks to come in the mail. And I can't wait to play with this for Father's Day or guys' birthdays. So isn't that fun? So yeah, so I hope you're doing something fun in your craft room this week, and I will talk to you soon. Bye guys.